Jello.
Open the box.
Wow.
Open the
You
box.
have Jello?
Is that what you asked for?
But I didn't ask for that.
Wow, look at that! Whoa! Open it up! Whoa! What is that?
Open it up, Cade.
What is
that?
that?
Oh,
Fire!
Oh,
Cade, tear into the little box first. Open it up.
cold.
Open that little box.
That's a gorilla.
Just rip it open. Help him, Ryan.
what do you think?
How,
Look at
buddy?
There you go.
Yeah, because that's very sweet to give your son Jello.
That's from.
What got me?
What is that?
Oh,
What does that go with?
What is it? What is it, Kate?
I know.
no. I can't find mine.
It's a book light. You flip it on your book.
Now open the big present, see if it goes with it.
I wrapped it too hard. Sorry. Just pull it off.
Uncle Don.
Do you know what this is?